couple of weeks ago, I made a post on Instagram mocking this arrangement for the Mexican Mauser. I honestly don't know what to say. It's a pseudo Springfield. It's a Mexican cocking piece, but it's an altered Mexican cocking piece. This is not their standard cocking piece. This is obviously a modified. I don't know. I don't know if this is Mexican or not. And then this is a 1903 striker. The fitment is pretty good. I don't think I've ever seen a collar like this one. It could be original. I don't know. So I assumed in the 1960s or whenever somebody hillbillied this up because they couldn't find a firing pin. I also incorrectly assumed that they had drilled out a standard bolt shroud. They didn't. So then I kind of wondered, well, where did this come from? And then the other week, I got another batch of parts in that has the same design of shroud. They are both Mexican bolt shrouds. And so I thought, well, maybe it was some type of conversion. They could use a 1903, but if you take a standard 1903, it sort of fits, and it doesn't fit. So maybe to use the striker rod, I mean, you couldn't use a cocking piece. So my question is, what are these? I don't know. I'd be curious. Does somebody know? I mean, that's utter garbage. But maybe they were making two-piece safeties. I don't know. Somebody that knows, enlighten us, enlighten me. What is it?